In .NET 6 and later, console applications have implicit global using directives enabled by default. This means that several commonly used namespaces are automatically included in your project, eliminating the need to manually add using statements. For example, this allows you to use console writeline without explicitly adding using system at the beginning of your file. For a standard console application using Microsoft Net SDK, the following namespaces are typically included by default.